Stop letting people convince you that you need $5,000 to start off-grid solar. It's simply not true. Today, I'm giving you a flat-broke roadmap on how to build a functional, expandable 12-volt solar power station for $50 a week. We're doing it in 3 stages, so you don't waste cash or burn out equipment. And down in the description, I've linked the exact builder channels who walk through the safe wiring for every single step. Week 1, your first $50. You get a basic 20-amp PWM charge controller for around $20, and pick up a used deep cycle 12V battery from a local salvage yard or marketplace for $30. This is your core storage. You don't have power coming in yet, but you built the foundation. Most beginners mess up by buying panels first with nowhere to store the energy. I've put a link in the description to a great tutorial by Cedar Solar showing how to connect your charge controller to a 12V battery safely. Week 2, next $50, look for a used $100 or $120 solar panel. You can usually find them locally for 30 to 40 cents a watt. Wire that panel to your week 1 charge controller and boom, you're harvesting free energy. You now have native DC power to charge phones, run 12V fans, or run LED lights without needing a generator. But if you want to power standard 110V household plugs, you need stage 3. Week 3, your final $50 goes toward a budget pure sine wave inverter, around 300 to 500 watts. Do not buy modified sine wave inverters just to save $10. They can wreck sensitive electronics. A 300W pure sine inverter lets you run laptops, power tool chargers, or small appliances safely. For proper fuse sizing and inverter cable setup, check out Will Prowse. His beginner 12V wiring guides are the gold standard on YouTube. In 3 weeks and $150, you go from zero power to a modular solar system that actually works and can grow with your budget. Grab the build roadmap links in the description below, hit subscribe to keep your off-grid builds cheap and practical, and I'll see you on the next one.